Hey guys, let's put together a semi-naked red velvet wedding cake. So first I start with my red velvet cake layers, and all the cake layers have been split and leveled so that they're all the same size. And then I just add a dam of vanilla buttercream, and then I fill it with my cream cheese buttercream, and I add a little bit of vanilla buttercream on the outside of the cake. And before I put each cake into the fridge, I make sure that each tier is level. That way when you go to stack it, the entire thing is level. So I'm just adding the vanilla buttercream around the cake, and then I go around it with my smooth cake comb. Right now I'm just adding thick boba straws and a little bit of buttercream, and then I go ahead and stack the cake. Each tier does have the thick boba straws, except for the top tier, since each tier needs to support the tier above it. I'm adding this beautiful edible gold leaf from Simple Sweets. It's loose leaf, that way it's so easy to apply to your cake, unlike the ones that come on those sheets, and this is what it looks like.